I am Venkat, Managing Director of Vathsa Medi Systems Private Limited, and we are into this field since last 20 years. And Vathsa Medi Systems was incorporated in the year of 2004, and we supply operation theatre equipments and CSSD equipments and also ICU equipments in ventilators and all other products like and monitors we are importing from Korea and China, and workstations we also import from Acuron, and we also do CSSDs of Sterile Safe as well as Biotech, and the monitors have been very prospective as we have been launching the latest models of monitors which are with Massimo set, and we also have video laryngoscopes which are very useful for anesthesia and other areas. So this is about our company, and we are very happy with the India Med Expo, and we also welcome all the doctors and dealers to the new India Med Expo. Everybody are welcome. 20 years. Our company is 20 years, and we are from Hyderabad actually. We are from Hyderabad local. Now we have a branches in Vijayawada as well as Bangalore and Hubli. We are participating in this expo since last 8 years, 7 years. Fine. Doctors walk-in is good, and comparative to last year, it's more or less equivalent. We cannot say as it is the first day, so we cannot say how it is about another 2 days are there to go. So we'll just follow it up. Possibly we'll go into it in a better way. Thank you.